Hi guys, Rhys from McWilliams Decorators here. I've just set up the Renner wood coating, the Aqua base primer. I'm using TriTech T5 with the clean shot and a 210 tip. The pressure is just sticking at about just under 2,000, so it's quite cold in here today. So yeah, gonna go and spray. Rhys McWilliams Decorators, lifting the lid on Renner Wood Coatings water-based primer. Initial thoughts: sprayed really nice, dries bulletproof, passes the scratch test, spray is nice, really happy with it. That's Rhys McWilliams Decorators, currently working in Lapworth and Dorridge. If you see our van, come and say hello. Cheers.